Hello and welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial number 29, Effect of Rainfall on Slope Stability using PLAXIS 2D. So in this lecture, we intend to simulate the effect of rainfall on the stability of the slope. So as we know, sometime maybe in some places when there's a rainfall, so this rainfall in terms of precipitation, and when the rainfall rains, so it infiltrate into the soil, whether it is slope or any geometry. So this soil, so when this water infiltrate into the soil and the water table is rise, so it affected the effective shear strength properties of the soil. So it decreases the shear strength of the soil and decrease the factor of safety of the slope. So we will model this geometry in this tutorial. As you can see, this is the soil stratigraphy and geometry of the slope for this tutorial. The slope is 2 horizontal, 1 vertical, and the height of the slope is 10 meter. We have 100 meters as a geometry of this slope in x direction, and in the left 30 and 40 in the y. So 30. So as we can see, in case of without rainfall, dry soil, the factor of safety is 1.923, and scenario 1, when the rainfall duration is 3 hours, the safety factor is 1.464, and also for 6 hours duration, the safety factor is 1.373. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.